Guangdong Tianfang is a wholly owned branch of an old feed enterprise located in the Pearl River Delta. Currently, it mainly produces feed for California perch, striped snakehead, frog, and etc. Our company has built 3 sets of primary or secondary spray adsorption systems for its implementation of dry and wet separation, classification treatment, and the construction of an integrated sewage treatment system. THANH-HAI Long branch of HAI Group is located in YUAN city of the Pearl River Delta. Our company has built environmental protection treatment system for its 2 extruding feed producing lines and a shrimp feed producing line. Its product structure is mainly middle and high grade. Its total of 7 sets of spray adsorption system and construction of 1 set of integrated sewage treatment facilities. Guangdong Fuma Biotechnology Co., Limited is a feed production enterprise, which is invested by Fujian Tiama Group in Taishan City, Pearl River Delta. At present, there are 3 extruding feed producing lines and 4 shrimp feed producing lines. The main products are special aquatic feeds. Its total of 11 sets of secondary and primary spray adsorption systems, adopting single line separation with dry and wet separation, and supporting sewage treatment system. THANH-HAI Company, a wholly owned subsidiary of HAI Group, is located in Wenchang City. There are 4 high-grade aquatic feed production lines. According to the strict requirements of local environmental protection regulations, this environmental protection project adopts the current advanced biological drip filtration process for high temperature and high humidity waste gas, spray adsorption for dry waste gas, and supporting sewage treatment system.
Nantong Bada Feed Co., Ltd. is a feed production manufacturer invested by THANH-HAI Group in Nantong City, Jiangsu Province. The new workshop has expanded to extrusion lines and for shrimp feed lines. The main products are special aquatic feed. We have equipped it with comprehensive environmental protection equipment, including 3 sets of ozone oxidation secondary filler spray system, 2 sets of ozone oxidation secondary spray system, 2 sets of primary spray adsorption system, and 1 set of supporting sewage treatment system to ensure the environmental protection and sustainability of the production process. THANH-HAI Nutrition Technology Co., Ltd. is a feed production manufacturer invested by THANH-HAI Group in Lake City, Qingliang. In the second phase, 4 extrusion lines and 3 shrimp feed lines were expanded. The main products are special aquatic feed. We have equipped them with comprehensive environmental protection equipment, including 4 sets of ozone oxidation secondary spray systems, 2 sets of ozone oxidation primary spray adsorption systems, and 2 sets of supporting sewage treatment systems, using dry-wet separation and single-line separation strategies to ensure the environmental protection and sustainability of the production process.
Huayan Jiangchang Feed Co., Ltd. is a feed company established by Shichang Group in Huayan. Its high-end aquatic feed workshop has our expanding lines and shrimp feed line, with high animal protein content in the finished feed and a strong source of exhaust gas emission. The original construction had simple water spraying. In order to adapt to the increasingly severe environmental protection situation and stable production, it has undergone major renovations, aiming at different characteristics of the exhaust gas. The new process adopts dry and wet separation. The dry exhaust gas such as ultrafine powder and coarse crushing adopt two-stage strong oxidizing spray process, using pre-spray biological deodorization process to dry and cool high temperature and high humidity exhaust gas. After the transformation, the environmental protection system is stable and meets the standard. The environmental protection pressure of the enterprise has decreased significantly, and the production can be assured, which improves the stability of the market supply of feeds. Jiangsu THANH-HAI Biotechnology Co., Ltd. has built a total of 8 high-end aquatic feed production lines, including 2 high-end expanded feed production lines and 6 high-end shrimp feed production lines. The environmental protection project of Jiangsu THANH-HAI adopts the most advanced treatment process in China at present. Each air duct is independently equipped with an environmental protection system, mainly using a process of high temperature and high humidity pulse bag dust removal, cooling and condensation, and secondary strong oxidation spray, with biological deodorization reserved. The project achieves precise control throughout the process, effectively treating exhaust emissions, fulfilling green commitments with practical actions, and escorting the company's green and sustainable development. Jiangsu Zhongyun Biotechnology Co. Ltd currently has 3 high-end shrimp feed production lines. The finished feed has a high animal protein content, resulting in strong exhaust emission sources. According to the characteristics of the exhaust gas, YUAN has configured a 2-stage strong oxidation spray process for dry exhaust gases, such as ultrafine powder and coarse crushing. For the cooling exhaust gas of shrimp feed, a high temperature and high humidity pulse-back dust removal, plus biological deodorization process is applied. The biological deodorization is a 2.0 technology developed by our company by combining the exhaust gas characteristics and industry characteristics of feed enterprises. With stronger adaptability and higher purification efficiency, it can simultaneously treat exhaust gases containing various special factors, such as odor molecules like ammonia, hydrogen sulfide, and trimethylamine, making the odor disappear invisibly and ensuring effective environmental protection implementation. We will focus on the environmental protection needs of the agriculture and animal husbandry industry, providing customers with high-quality, intelligent products and services, and contribute to the cleaner production of the industry.